Hey guys, happy Wednesday and welcome back to the vlog. I'm actually here a little early this morning, so I'm the only one, but real quickly, I gotta show you our front because it's really starting to look nice here. We've got some things to show off. This is what I pulled up to this morning. You've got STI, Evo, and RX-7. I mean, that is a sick lineup. So one of the benefits of keeping up with our vlogs, as you guys might start to realize, is that you get to see kind of what we're working on before it's released anywhere else, before on Facebook or Instagram. You're gonna see it here on YouTube first. And I'm gonna show you guys right now what we have in the shop. Check this out. The Mark III Supra.
Whoa! Is that a Supra?
So the guys over at Nightrun Garage were gracious enough to bring this down from Richmond to us for the week so we could start going through it. It's Wednesday right now, so we're still in the process of developing the kits. You can see Randy's been working on it. He's got a few of our True Burn titanium hardware in here. I did notice up here, not sure if those are plastic clips with the OEM cow or not, but we've got hardware in there now. So once Randy comes in, I'll be able to get him on camera. We can ask him what he's done, what the plans are moving forward, because he's definitely, I can tell, still in the middle of developing the kits. But I mean, check this thing out. This thing, I mean, this is a car from the 80s, and Ben has kept it super clean. I mean, it is nice, and I love the choice of wheels here. But I mean, this thing is immaculate, and that's what we're always trying to find cars in this condition to develop kits. And it's hard when you're looking at cars in the 80s and 90s. Like, it takes a long time, but we were lucky enough to have our friends over there at Nightrun bring this to us. And I just want to show you guys, this is a special edition from what I can tell, because it's got the Tim's suspension adjustment built in. So I think normal is soft, sport stiffens it up, but based on my understanding, depending on how you're driving with it in those modes, the suspension will actually automatically adjust, which is insane. So when you come into hard braking, it stiffens up. But if you're like highway speeds, it kind of softens back down. That's crazy to think about a car from the 80s having. But I mean, also though, like, check out this pattern. This feels 80s, man. This car is in really good shape. It's even got the, look at this, look, live sound. That's, yeah, this is the special edition. Fully loaded. So, although it doesn't look like that really matters because he didn't have a radio in it right now. But who needs a radio when you're driving a Supra? So, what I'm gonna do is when Randy gets here, I'll have him kind of go over the car, tell us what he's planning to do with it. We're gonna be doing promo videos with this. We're bringing Tevin in from Dream Shots. He's gonna shoot commercials for it and for the big release and reveal. So that's gonna be sick. I think we're doing that tomorrow night. Yeah, so this is exciting, but yeah, you guys get this sneak peek real quick, and yeah, we'll see. Mark III Supra owners, get excited, man. We are finally making a kit for you guys. It's been too long. All right, guys, so now we're in the back again. Randy has put a ton of time in on this engine bay again today. You started on the engine now?
Yeah, I just got started on the engine just a little bit ago after doing a very thorough review of the engine bay.
Yeah.
This has just turned into a treasure hunt. Every little nook and cranny and corner of this engine bay, it's amazing how many bolts they actually used in this thing.
I mean, some of these brackets, there's like four bolts for that. And
Yeah.
they're over here. I mean, we're going pretty in depth with this whole thing.
Yeah. Down inside of here.
Yeah, even the manual headlight lifters or whatever that are mounted, we have hardware for that. That's just, how many hours do you think you're in so far?
Oh, I'd say close to 8.
Close to 8 hours.
8 hours, a full day.
Yeah.
Of just going through this engine bay.
Just the engine bay, and just now getting started on the engine. These are gonna be some massive kits. So what are you working on now? What areas are you looking at?
So right now I'm kind of focused up here above the engine cover.
Okay.
Looking at the rail, looking at the throttle body cable back here, and there's some other brackets I'm seeing now. I'm seeing a few bolts here and there.
More and more, yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like every time I stand at a different angle and look down somewhere at the engine bay or the engine, I'm like, oh, there's another one right there.
Right there, yeah.
Boom, there's one. Oh, there's one. There's one.
I know, yeah. Like we were just talking a second ago, and we realized, hey, there's 4 nuts over here on the brake master cylinder we should probably take care of too. And there's two bolts down here.
Yeah, way down there.
Down
covering
here
a shield, but you can see them really well. So.
Yeah, if you stand right here, you could see them if they were colored and shiny. So we got to knock those out. Yeah, this is it's like the past month and a half. I think we keep telling ourselves, man, this is the biggest kit we've ever done. This is the biggest kit we've ever done, and I think we keep upping it every car that comes in. Like, because we had that Camaro in 2 weeks ago.
Right.
Which you guys actually did not get to see that. But that kit will be coming out at the end of this month.
But before that was the GC8.
Yeah.
Which, if not the biggest, was maybe the second biggest kit we've ever done. And then the Camaro came in behind that.
Right
when we got
behind
finished
it.
with that, I was like, wow. When I did the final count, I'm like, it's only a few bolts short of being the same size as the GC8.
Yeah. Yeah, and now...
This one is adding up quick.
I
I don't even know. I know we're well over 100.
You think...
Well over 100.
You think bigger than the GC8, this one?
I don't know if it'll be bigger than the GC8, but I'm thinking it's going to be up there. It's going to be close.
Yeah. Man. And for the Supra, we're obviously going to have an engine kit. We're obviously going to have multiple engine bay stages and a hood kit and a door kit. We took a look at the trunk area. There's not any hardware. There's just a bunch of plastic covers. So no kit for that area on this model. But I don't know. What do you think? Maybe we'll look at the license plates.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
License plate.
License plates. So still going to be a pretty good selection here with the door and multiple engine bays and engine and license plates. So this is we're in deep. Yeah, we keep telling you guys we're trying to up it every time, make it more comprehensive, and Randy is definitely putting in the work to do that. So this is going to be insane, but this is where we're at now, guys. Look for this kit. Hopefully it's going to be out at the end of this month. If not, it'll be released in May. And that May is starting to shape up to be a big product release because we've got a ton of sizes coming in for a highly requested European model, which we're really excited to release. So stay tuned. As always, the vlogs get you behind the scenes, so you get to see what we're working on in real time, and you're not finding out when the kits actually are released on all of our other social medias. So be sure you like, subscribe, and of course share the video so other people can see, get to know us, get to see what's up, get the word out on us awesome titanium hardware products. And we'll catch you guys next time.